Hello everyone. The topic of today's debate is saving and investment approach. We have four students here. Ishan supports savings. Kajal supports investments. Nirja talks about a balanced approach and finding a middle ground. And Rohit is a critical thinker and questions both sides of the argument. Let's start with the debate now.
Hello everyone. Today we are discussing the topic saving and investment approach. I believe saving money is very important. It gives us security in emergencies like medical needs or sudden job loss. In India, many families still depend on their savings for crises. Saving in banks is safe and risk free, and you can easily withdraw money whenever needed. So I strongly support a savings based approach.
I respect Ishan's point, but I believe investing is more powerful. Savings grow slowly, but investments help money grow faster. For example, the Indian stock market and mutual funds have given good returns over the years. Even globally, countries like the USA and Japan encourage people to invest for their future. Investment builds wealth, not just safety.
Both of you are right, but we should look at the economics perspective. Like saving helps the economy by increasing funds in banks, which banks use to give loans to businesses. And investment helps create wealth, jobs, and new industries. So both saving and investment are important. A balanced approach is better.
I want to highlight the cons. Saving too much might mean your money is just sitting idle, especially when inflation rises. And investing too much is risky. People can lose money if the market falls, like during COVID-19 in 2020. So blindly picking one side doesn't work.
Let me add an example. Many Indian families keep money in fixed deposits or recurring deposits. They get guaranteed returns. Even the Indian government promotes small saving schemes like PPF, Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana and post office schemes. These are safe and help protect money from inflation.
True, but those returns are still low compared to inflation sometimes. Investments like equity mutual funds, SIPs, and gold ETFs have helped many people grow their wealth. Even globally, Warren Buffett became one of the richest people through smart investing, not by just saving. But investment requires knowledge and discipline. A lot of people do not understand the stock market. That's why financial education is important in India. Schools should teach basic finance.
And let's not forget the risk factor. In India, many young investors lost money because they followed social media tips without research. So investments can be dangerous if done without understanding.
That is why savings are better for common people. They provide stability. Not everyone can handle market risk.
But without investments, people won't beat inflation. Today prices rise fast. Only investing can help families grow money in the long run.
Instead of choosing only one, we should divide our income, some part for saving, some part for investing. This is called portfolio diversification, and it reduces risk.
Yes, and people should choose according to age. Younger people can invest more because they have time to recover losses. Older people should save more for safety.
Savings build a strong foundation and protect us in emergencies.
Investments help us grow wealth and achieve long-term goals like buying a house or retirement.
Economics teaches us that both saving and investing support the country's growth.
The best approach is mix both. Save wisely, invest wisely, and learn about money.
This was a great debate. Now it's your turn to share your opinion. What do you think is better? Share your views in the comments below.